In modern telecommunications, network operations centers are overwhelmed. When a cell tower goes down, engineers lose precious hours correlating fragmented logs, digging through vendor SLAs, and manually dispatching crews. Every minute of downtime costs thousands in SLA penalties and damages customer trust. This is the challenge we solved with Nexus. Enter Nexus, a production-grade multi-step enterprise AI agent built specifically for telecom infrastructure. This isn't just a simple chatbot. Nexus is a stateful 7-node autonomous workflow powered by LangGraph, FastAPI, and React. When an outage occurs, Nexus springs into action. Rather than relying on generic AI, we've integrated TSLAM-4B principles. The agent first queries a localized ChromaDB vector store to perform retrieval augmented generation (RAG) against thousands of historical incident logs. This gives our ultra-fast Grok-powered LLM the precise contextual grounding it needs to predict the top 3 probabilistic root causes with zero hallucination. It tells your operators exactly why it made a decision, but reasoning is only half the battle. Nexus takes action. Our decision engine directly queries a Neo4j knowledge graph to instantly identify if a tower is suffering from systemic repeat failures, dynamically triggering vendor escalation if an SLA breach is imminent. If physical repair is needed, we don't just dispatch a crew, we use Google OR tools to mathematically optimize the geospatial routing, sequencing depot parts pickups and tower navigation to ensure the absolute fastest resolution time. Nexus gets smarter every day through reinforcement learning from human feedback. When an operator approves a plan, the agent dynamically adjusts its internal confidence weights. And for ultimate resilience, our edge computing architecture allows lightweight small language models to run directly on tower hardware, ensuring automated failover even when the fiber backhaul is completely severed. Nexus transforms reactive troubleshooting into proactive, autonomous infrastructure management. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to powering the future of telecom.